special delivery.
Hello guys, what's up? So today guys I have on the table not the regular amplifier, but I'll show you guys. I have this 15-inch massive audio. Let me see Hippo. Jesus Christ, man. Yes guys, this thing is the beast. Yeah, this thing is one of those big, as you can see guys, hardly can get this thing to this here. So this is 6,000 Hippo XL1 XL15 2. I mean 2 mean the 2 ohms are. So yep, I got this into recone and voice coil, everything just. But I'm gonna show you what's going on, guys. So how do I do this kind of recone? Because I already cleaned up around this around here, and yeah, but the spider was good. So all I'm doing now, guys, with the spider, is clean this here of those excess glue. For now, you can see, use my little knife here, cut away, just cutting away that glue. And the allergy, man, is killing me. This guy, so looking like that. The spider looking like this. This is I don't remember how much in spider is this. Let me see. Let me measure it and see, guys. So that will be 9.5 inch. Wow. Yeah, so this is a 9.5 inch spider, guys. Spider web, whatever you call it. So some people call it. So that's about it for now with what I'm going to do here. So now, right. So the cone, the voice card is a 4-inch voice card for the speaker, which I get from a lot of this. Guys, I have a little chair here that can spin. It have that little thing which is really cool. I don't have to buy that little thing that I have to, install the counter. So let me show you something. So I have two of them to do, guys. So this is one of the voice. This is a voice card. You guys can see, and this is a 4-inch voice card. 4-inch voice card, guys. Yep. Alright, let me put it a little more. And then the cone, I already cut a 4-inch hole in the cone. Wow. And these are the tall surround cone. Yeah, see this? It's really thick here. So as you can see from here, it's a tall surround. Yep. So, yes, guys. Get this up and running. Real quick and fast. Yeah, I have two of them to do, as I told you guys. So leave this out for now. I already have the stuff and the voice coil here. So let me remove this. So the corner, nice little cone with the red stitching, and that's a 4-inch hole in there. So I cut it out. I put this and make sure from inside everything is on the same, and then I mark it around with a pen or a marker, and then I use this to cut it in line, or use the scissors. Sometimes I do that. So let me put the cone aside here, and then I'll show you the voice coil fit just perfectly. Still have a lot of room to play, and but yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I set the voice coil. So first I would do that. I bottom it, as you would say, drop it straight to the bottom. I use a little red marker. You could use any marker you have once you can see it when you take it out. And do that. And then, you see, height of that. Me, I'm gonna just eyeball it and do it like about right So I'm gonna put like this amount inside the magnet. So I'm gonna lift out like one. Let's see how much. Let's measure it, guys. I'll tell you how much I'm gonna leave outside. At least, yes, at least 1 inch outside the magnet. So it should be like this. Well, I'm gonna put it on the table, guys, and just if you guys can have a better look on it. So from this side, I'll do this. So I'm going to leave like that amount out. Let me push this down like this. Yeah, I'm gonna leave like that amount of. As I said, I'll leave about 1 inch. Yeah, of voice coil. I mean, 1 inch of voice coil outside. Yeah, I said magnet earlier on. 1 inch of voice coil outside magnet. So this one. So now I could go and do some little measurement, like if it fits, fits in here, stuff like that. Still want a little more cutout and stuff like that. Yeah, definitely. Need some, it's going anywhere, but I don't want to force it too much. But yeah, and the cone now, I'll do this here. Fit it inside the cone, which is gonna, I think it's gonna sit like here in the cone. If I'm not wrong, right here. Right about here. Adjust this phone. You guys can see. Yeah, it's gonna sit right about, yep, right about there. So this is a little tricky part, guys, which I'm doing now, getting all this excess glue so I can get this over the inside the spider, and then we go from there. So I'm gonna pause the video for a while, guys, and come back. Hope I don't run out of charge, so I have to make part 2 of this video, but I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I have these, call them shim or spacer, whatever you want to call it. I'll just call them shim. I put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. These are one I homemade. I made them with I think it's a bottle from Walmart brand of the vinegar. Yeah, one of those vinegar bottles. So make sure it's lined up on all these wire, line up to one of the terminal. You're gonna put the stuff on, so yeah, so this goes like that, which is, yeah, I want it a little bit tighter. Alright, so I'm gonna add like 2 more, making it 7 spacers or whatever. 7 in all. Yes, 7 total. I want to be a little firm. So let's go ahead and see. Wow. I have to remove one. So a little bit tighter than I want it to be. And I say 1 inch of voice coil out. If I do the measurement correctly, which I think I do. This did originally come, guys, with a copper voice coil, and using an aluminum voice coil because I can't get the copper. Which some people say it's an upgrade for some, but some say the copper is better. Which, if you guys should ask me which I prefer, I don't know. I would just definitely, I don't know why some people prefer the aluminum, but I don't fancy the aluminum, but a lot of people do. But I like the copper voice coil. To me, it's thicker, and I don't know. But some people say you get better SPL stuff with this one, and I don't know. So it's up to which what you love or the experience you have with one than the other. Guys, you must know I don't really know about that part, like because I hate when subwoofer is like play to what abuse. But a lot of people, these guys in the car show, really abuse the amplifiers or the speakers. I don't like that. Sorry, guys, over there. Yep. So it's all up to right. I'm having a hard time for some reason here with this. Alright, so you are not in the right spot. And you are not in the right spot too. Which I think, alright, that should be it. Maybe and maybe not. Alright guys, I wanna do something before I do all that. So I can cut the voice call. About there is okay, yep. And then the cone is going to sit like that perfectly. So now I'm going to cut right there. Okay. Alright. So a lot of glue can sit right up here, to here, to here, to here. Right. This line. Make sure it right in line. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to cut the voice card right in this line. So, yep, that's about what we need to. So now guys, I get my scissors and I go around like this. And the voice call I'm using from a lot of this. This is the number for it here. So in front of you, you put VC 140418 or 140418. That's what I'm using for this IPO. Yeah, for this 15-inch IPO. Yep. You can say it's let me see. It says 6,000 watt on the bottom of it. So yeah, 6,000 watt max. Yep. And this is the IPO XL 152R. So yep. So if you want to upgrade voice card or you have one burnt and you want to replace the voice, just the voice card, yeah, that's 140418. That's the voice card for it. That's perfectly. Specs is right on. Believe me when I say, yep, spot on. Once you do measurement correctly and the diameter and everything, you check all that. And like this, just like from the factory. See that thing cuts really nice. So, all right, it's my own song. Do, 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 do. Yep. So it's about that and everything, and then go from there, guys. Now, let me put this here, guys. So I'm gonna pause the video and then I come right back to you guys. I hope I can do everything in 30 minutes. Right, guys, give me a couple of minutes. Alright, guys, so this is the part where I try to push the voice file down. Oh, this part is a little bit tight, but that's even better. That's really good for what I'm doing right now. And I will wiggle it a little. See the screw matches up. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do is to catch these put these screws inside right now from here. And this says massive audio. So let me put them. Yeah, let me catch them from now just so I don't have a problem when I'm going to bolt them. Alright, hold on. See, let me get all in here, guys. Alright, that's it. So see like that one catches, yep. So I'm going around and around and around. This one here. Make sure it catches. Okay, I did something that I should have stick some glue around that thing first. Alright, so it's something, guys, that I wasn't supposed to do at the time. Because what I really want to do is, and I know this is gonna cost me like some extra. Oh, this didn't come up any further. Yeah, that's stuck right there. Alright, guys, so what I'm going to do now is for this, you don't have to use no CA glue, but I'm gonna, no, this is not the CA glue. I'm gonna run a little bead of glue around this. Get rubber glue. It's coming. Yeah, so alright, as you can see, this is not the one that dry really hard. Like this you could use right here. And now let it dry it. Some people go ahead and just do it while it's screwed. No, I don't like them. Yeah, I don't like doing that, guys. When this dry, guys, it's really, I'm telling you. And this product, all of these products, for this speaker, I get them from a lot of this. You go check them out, they're really good stuff. That guy, George, is really a nice person. I buy stuff from him, and sometimes I don't know if we get it here that fast. Sometimes like it's right up the road. I get this stuff like in 3 days. Yeah. Can you imagine? That's what they call doing business. It's like you own the FedEx company. I don't know. I have shares in it. Sometimes I get this stuff really, really, really fast. So let's go again. All right. Let's get to the one on this side. So this gives some little leverage to what I'm doing here. Yeah. You see, guys, sometimes it's a little bit crooked. This one here, I have to turn this a little bit. Still want to turn some more. That's why it's always good. Kept the screws here. For some reason, I don't know why it's that hard to get a little, with a tiny turn, as I would say. That's it. Let's check some more. Yeah, as you guys can see, just from now on, it's gonna be smooth sailing. Just to cut these into place can be a little pain sometimes. And guys, never use the drill to do this kind of fine stuff like this. The drill, that will mess you up big time, guys. I don't use the drill like with stuff like this. With my hand. This part is really, really delicate. I didn't have to do this as a table, guys, because I could. I'm doing all right. So let's see now. Right. Seated properly, and then I'm gonna find the rest of the hose, guys, and then I'll get back to you guys on this here. All right, so give me a couple of minutes, guys. All right, guys, so what I'm doing now, guys, is to see I get one section here done. I'm wrapping the copper. Let me this up a bit. See, this side is done already. Well, neat and nice and neat. So. That's how we do it, guys. If it's not nice and neat, we don't do it. That's straight to you. Yep. So, alright, so bend this a little down. You come around. This, I think I'm going to use some flux on it, because to get it to really hold tight, because this thing is copper. No, not copper. It's aluminum, so it doesn't take the solder very well. But once you use a little flux, we're good to go. We're really good to go. So here, this part here now, which I don't like how it looks. So take a little piece off here. Alright. So now, in the solder, I'm gonna use a bigger, thicker one, so it doesn't melt too fast. So it do the job. That's the part I'm going from. Going to do stuff like that. Come on. Get some flux. This flux is not the best flux, guys, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So you can see, flux or solder paste, some people call it. And this guy is the dual 2 ohms. Let's go again. See if I have any luck. I think I have a little luck on this side here. Yep. Yep. You have a little luck over that side. On that side, I should say. Over on that side. Come on. Yep. A little beating right here. And here now. I'm gonna get some right here. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to do this part. I do like this. That's one of the things I don't like with the aluminum boys. Solder it. Hold on, something's not right here. Oh my god, it's hard and turned down by. Oh, come on, really? So, solder these leads, guys, and then I get back to you. Right, that's not bad right there. Oh, still smoking. Smoke is coming out of it. Right, try the next side now. Move on to the next side, guys. I'm gonna pack some solder on it, like, oh yeah. looks good. And we can do something like this. Go to this side over here. You can tie it in a little. Ooh, wow, wow. All right. Nice. So neat, guys. All right, guys. So give me a minute here, guys. Guys, so I should get 2 ohms here. I put it on. It's in 2 point. Yep. And here I should get 2 ohms here. Yes, guys. So everything looks nice and good. Yes. So let's go ahead now and prepare the cone. So I think I'm gonna have to widen this a little bit, cut some little. Start here, just find. Let me find some part here. What I normally do, guys, in situation like this, I use a marker. So let me match this to where it's going to sit right there. Alright, come on. Yep. Right, so we have this right now. We mark the middle. Well, the middle of this one, then the middle of that one. Alright. So what I'm going to do, guys, is like, let's show you. I'm gonna slit this a little like one here, one right here, and this one right here. Oh, that one right here. Not too much. This one right. Leave a little red mark in the middle. Yeah, some people cut the whole corner out now. It's a thick. Yeah. So this should go right for this side. Right. Yep, that one goes. That one is good. Right. Seems like we're good to go, guys. So then all this back and see right here now what's going on. This one go up a little bit. A really thick cone. All right. Bam, 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 guys, yep, seated really good. So for now, yeah, so I'm going to have to remove this, put the glue around it, and then we go ahead from there. So I'll get back to you guys real quick. Yeah, guys, this is there. This one, guys, I want to put the glue on this side. Just make sure this thing is really clean before you put the glue. You take this piece off. And this is a rubberized, it's a rubberized glue, rubberized, you know. Yeah. We use this to repair the cone. Also put cone to foam to the cone and stuff like that. If you're gonna install the foam surround, yeah, this is the perfect one for it. This is what they use. But yeah. And it's also work perfect with this part I'm doing here, which is the cone to the frame. Works perfectly. Yeah, don't worry about nothing else, guys. We just need this. You don't have to rush it too much, guys, you know, because it's when you coil it was even better. It's not too long though. It's sideways, bitch, you know. I don't remember, but let's start like this. Start it so. Let me start it so, you know. All right. Okay, let me start it so. All right, guys. And then wiggle it a little. As you know, yeah. Whoa, whoa, come on! What the heck you going? This thing is lift, right? It's rising up like that. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Let me get this here. Sometimes, guys, how do I get this? And I put it right over it. I should have done it from the other way around. Like this, guys. Much better this way. I'm trying to catch it quick, like that. Yep. That's a nice little way of doing it, guys, like that. Get the comb down, get it seated properly. And you bring up the gasket here, the surround, and you use this to help keep it down onto the frame. Every now and then you wear on, you keep doing this. Just keep doing that. And then you could start on this side here with the CA glue. So let me get some excess stuff here. Alright, put this up. I don't think I'll be using the solder here anymore. Get the CA glue now. Do some little magic on this thing. And then I'm gonna get my actuator. Alright, guys. CA glue. That goes there. Guys, just run some glue around this thing. Run some glue if you have enough. What I'm doing here now. Yeah. Yes, guys. Good enough. Thing is, speakers are not normal, so you know. Make sure you have enough to make a nice little like that. So I could do this, the little rocket here, rocket to the left, rocket to the right. So it's seeping on the other side and little, so yeah. Wow, that should be perfect right there. So shut. Yep. Look like that. I come back again. I don't know what's wrong with her. Okay, giving a lot of trouble inside there. When mommy's home, trouble. I don't know. Don't know why. I'm glad I don't have that much trouble with them. Yes, guys. So, yep. That's about it for now. Give it a little time for it to set on, you know. Yeah, go on our merry way and yeah, give it some time. I'm gonna start right underneath here, and then that should be it. Yep, looking good so far, guys. Yep, perfectly. Do that if you wanna lean it. I'll go do some, but for now I'm gonna let it cure a little bit before I turn it over and start run some around the outer part and then meet here. But for now it looks pretty good, you know. Looks nice. Preventing from run, guys. Run, you know, too much on the comb. Let's put some of this stuff together right here. Put some stuff together. Let me check out, guys. I mean, okay, guys. So let me see. Tell you what's going on now. Well, these are gonna is going to go over the voice coil here, so a lot of ear don't come up and mess with the dust cap and blow it off. So they put these on it. These I just made these because the original one that was on it. So I took them off, and what I made this, I use this, and I get like one of the 4-inch, no, 5-inch dust cap, and I use this and I push it down on it, and then I, turn it around and show you guys and mark. Yeah, and then I cut not too close to this, cut it a little so you can sit perfectly over this. So along with some CA glue around here and everything, this will sit perfectly on it. So I have 2 of them for both speakers. Yeah, once you put the glue on it, everything will be nice. So for now, I'm gonna leave this to dry. The glue is still not dry. Yeah, you can see. Around still not dry, so I'm gonna leave it to dry for a while, and then so this video I'm gonna have to make part 2 of this video, which I didn't want to, but I have to really make part 2 of it. Part 2 would be when I install this here, and I tell you, along with some CA glue around this area, put some here, and then put it on here. Then I'm gonna put some weight like a tweeter, a bullet tweeter, or some heavy stuff right in here, so you can keep it down so that it dries and everything is okay. And the dust cap, let me show you the dust cap now. So this is the dust cap, guys. So now I use like the original dust cap. It's gonna look something like, when I'm finished, it's going to look something like this, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it's gonna look something like that. So yeah, definitely gonna look something like that. So you guys know the idea for now. So that would be it for now, guys. I'll show you the finished product, but I'm gonna stop the video for now. The part when I give it a little bench test and you guys can hear what's going on. Alright, guys, so please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and thank you guys for watching. And that's it. Carty and Carty out for now. It's massive audio IPO 152 XL152. Yeah, XL152 R. So yeah. So that would be it for now, guys. So please stay tuned for part 2 of this video coming up shortly. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Okay, guys, Carty and Carty here again, guys, and this is the finished look of these 2 massive IPO. And yep, that's it, guys. Everything look perfect. These, I think one of them weighs 60 pounds, if I'm not wrong. Could look it up. Yep, 15-inch massive IPO. Why replace voice coil and cone, as you can see. And that's it. I was gonna bench test them, but that's It's giving me a lot of trouble to put on the table the way I want to set it up, but yeah, I'm not gonna worry going to no bench test with this, but yes guys, that's the finished look. And these are big, I tell you guys, these are massive, you know, massive stuff. Guys, so that's the finished product guys, and please like, subscribe to my channel. I do subwoofer repair guys. A lot of time I don't make videos, you know, but yeah, so now you will see and the cone and stuff I get from a lot of base. I use the same dust cap back. I managed to save the dust cap so I could use them back. So voice coil and cone from a lot of base and the glue and stuff like that. Everything I get from a lot of base for it guys. So you know, yeah. So that's it guys for the final look of these massive audio Ripper, 15-inch Ripper. I think this is a 15.2R XL 15.2R. So yeah, that's the look guys, and please like, subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and anybody want the subwoofer repair, I do it guys, so you just contact me through Facebook, Carty&Carty. Okay guys, and thank you for watching guys, and I really appreciate you guys watching my video. And that would be it for now guys. Alright, thank you very much.